Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Train Tutor. Here in this session, we'll see the difference between since and for. When we'll have to use since and when to use for. For is used for period of time. When someone asks you for how long, for how many years, for how many days. Okay, when someone asks you the duration, so then we'll have to make use of for here. Okay, the number means for how many years, for how many days, for how many months. For example, 3 days. And then I'll take an example of 6 months. Yeah, 6 months. Then 15 years. Okay, these are some examples for yes. Now we'll see for since. Since is used to describe something at starting point. Okay, when someone asks you from when exactly, then we'll have to make use of since. Whenever the name of a month, name of a year, name of a day is given, so always remember to make use of since. Now, with the help of this rule, we are going to complete the blanks. So I hope that it's clear when to use since and for. So now first we'll see blank 2020. So what is this 2020? 2020 is the name of a year. It's not the number, but it's the name of a year, right? So whenever there is a name, always remember to make use of since. Since 2020. How about 10 months? 10 months is the number of months. How many months? For how long? Okay? For how many months? For 10 months. What about 15 months? Is it the name of a minute here? No, it's not the name of a minute. For how many minutes? For 15 minutes. Wednesday. What about Wednesday? Wednesday is the name of a day. So whenever there is a name, so always remember to use since. Since Wednesday. How about 5 days? Here it's again number of days. 5 days. For how many days? For 5 days. Okay? So the answer is for 5 days. How about November? November. November is the name of a month. So here we are going to use since November. And 6 years. Is it the name of a year? No. This is the number. How many years? For how many years? For 6 years, right? For 6 years. You're going to say for 6 years. I hope this is clear, the difference between since and for, and when we'll have to use since and when to use for is cleared now. Thank you. Thank you for watching.